This is Janita Crisilla working as a Telugu language expert in Pratilipi. I have done my MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I'm working in Pratilipi since 16 to 17 months. I want to work in Pratilipi because there is only one reason. Though I am a technical person, I love literature very much.
My name is Brinda. I'm taking care of marketing initiatives here. मैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूँ, लेकिन पहले से मुझे लिटरेचर में बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रहा है, तो मैंने बहुत पहले डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मैं काम तो लैंग्वेजेस के लिए ही करूंगी। प्रतिलिपि एक इंडियन रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस का प्लेटफॉर्म है, भारतीय भाषाओं को प्रमोट कर रहा है और कैसे भाषा को आगे बढ़ाया जाए, छोटे से छोटे गाँव तक और बड़े से बड़े शहर तक इसको पहुँचाया जाए, कैसे लोगों तक इजीली पहुँच सकते हैं, उनका जो माइंडसेट है उनको कैसे समझा जाए। तो ये सारी बातें मैं अपने टीम के साथ डिस्कस करके फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। कभी कुछ टेंशन नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नया करना है तो एक टोटली फ्रीडम मिलता है कि कभी किसी न किसी चीज के लिए रोका नहीं है कि नहीं तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम जो भी हमें नया आइडिया आता है हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, चाहे उसमें फेल हो तो भी दैट्स कंप्लीटली ओके, वो एक लर्निंग हो जाता है। बहुत ज्यादा लोग ऐसे हैं जो लिखना चाहते हैं, पढ़ना चाहते हैं, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश इसमें मैं भी आ गई। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि इंग्लिश की वजह से मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि नहीं तो मैं यहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, तो मैं आगे नहीं जा पाऊंगी।
Dileepan. I work as a author relationship manager in Pratilipi for Tamil language. People in India are not used to these kind of self-publishing platforms. Most challenging thing I do in Pratilipi is making people understand what self-publishing is.
I am Khimad Haman and I am 22 years old, working here as a author engagement manager for Marathi language. It is a great experience for me as a fresher, because in terms of fresher you didn't get a job where you can express yourself, express your ideas. The most interesting project I did till was Writers Academy. It is the first project where I express myself. As I am coming from journalism background, it is a very different experience as an author engagement expert. I am very sarcastic writer. I have a humor in my writing. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पीजे मारती हूँ जो किसी को पता नहीं है।
I am Jitesh Donga. I am working as a language coordinator in Pratilipi. Best thing about my job is the work environment we have here. Our work ethics are very good, that nobody is a boss here. Everyone is a participant in a team. Being a team member, you try to give your best to the team. I am in language team, so I try to coordinate with all the other team members. We try to solve the issues. How Pratilipi is changing the scenario in Indian languages, basically the regional languages. Being a Gujarati author, I started my career on Pratilipi. I launched my novels on Pratilipi and it worked very well. And because of those good reviews, I got the publishing into the hardbound books.
I am Vaishak. I am the author engagement manager of Malayalam language in Pratilipi. When I came for the interview, for first time I came in full formals and all, because I was working in sales and I thought this is how it should be. After the interview, Shankar told me, if you are getting selected, you don't have to come in formals and all. Our work culture is totally different. We used to hear this thing, nowadays nobody is reading in your mother tongue. The habit of reading is dying and all. But when we launched Malayalam Pratilipi, a response from the readers was amazing.
My experience with Pratilipi is awesome. Very friendly atmosphere. It's not like 9 to 6 job. All the other colleagues who are doing the same work like me in different languages are very supportive, very helpful, and more than that, I don't feel like office. It's a kind of fun place, fun environment, along with all the responsibilities.
I'm Shankar Narayanan, one of the co-founders at Pratilipi. I currently head the language team. I believe that among the different identities that a person could have, his native language or his mother tongue is a very important. So, at Pratilipi, we are doing something related to that, where people can express themselves and exchange their viewpoints in their own native languages. This is something that fascinated me and has been fascinating me about Pratilipi. We have built an awesome team of 32 people. Every one of us is so connected to the problem that we are trying to solve.